Business Cal, Topic 5, Help for two problems. Okay, we want to integrate these two problems, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a u substitution for this function right here. So u is going to represent my negative x squared minus 3. This implies du equals negative 2x times dx. Now, what I'm missing here is a negative 2, so I'm going to rewrite my integral. X, negative x squared minus 3, all to the fifth, dx. And then we're going to include the negative 2 here with the x so they match. So let's put a negative 2 here. And the reciprocal of negative 2 is negative 1/2. Now, what we have is a substitution for these two to be du, and a substitution for this to be u. So we have negative 1/2, let's raise that, on the integral of u to the fifth power and du. So when we take the antiderivative of u to the fifth, it'll be u to the sixth times the reciprocal 1/6 plus c. So all of this becomes negative 1/12, and the u represents negative x squared minus 3 all to the 6 plus c. Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2, I'm going to convert this to a root, convert this root to a fractional power and pull the 9 out. So we'll have 9, the integral x, negative x squared plus 6 all to the 1/2 power dx. Alright, now from here, I'm going to take this as my u here. So u substitution, so u will represent negative x squared plus 6. This implies that du equals negative 2x times dx. So what I'm missing here is a negative 2 from the x here. So we'll go include that. So we have a 9 integral x, negative x squared plus 6 to the 1/2 power dx. And we're going to now put in this negative 2 here, and the reciprocal of negative 2, which is negative 1/2 on the outside. So now all of this becomes du, and this becomes u to the 1/2. On the outside, we have our negative 9/2. Now when I take the antiderivative of u, we'll get negative 9/2 u. I'll add 1 to the power, so I'll get 3/2 as a power. The reciprocal of 3/2 is 2/3 plus c. So this right here reduces down to a negative 3, and the u becomes my negative x squared plus 6 all to the 3/2 power plus c. Now I know the book was having a little trouble sometimes accepting the roots, so this may go through, but if you want to convert it to a root for testing purposes, this will be the square root of negative x squared plus 6 to the 3rd power all plus c.